Hello, welcome to Crowded Lab channel. Today I will do review of Cloozo. It is no-code AI chatbot builder. With this tool, you will be able to upload your files, scrape websites, and make chatbots trained on that data. Apps module is pretty straightforward. For license tier 1, you get 10 chatbots, and starting from license tier 2, you have removed powered by Cloozo branding. Also, with license tier 4, you have everything unlimited. And with all plans, you will need to add your own OpenAPI key. I will show you how to do that. Please check my affiliate link to this tool in the description, and let's move to the demo. Here it is, the main dashboard of Cloozo. Let's create new workspace. Here it is. Now let's add new chatbot. Here's the name. And interesting thing that you have two options. One is chatbot with your knowledge base, and then another one that search the Google. Let's pick the first option. Let's edit that. First of all, we need to add OpenAPI key. For that, you need to go to platform openapi.com and create a new secret key. I've got my key copied. Here it is. Temperature, you may refer to this as creativity. Let it be 0.5. I would like chatbot to stay more on the topic. Let's use GPT 3.5 Turbo. It is the most cost-efficient model. Also, you will need to add your Pinecone settings. So what is a Pinecone? It is a database where your data will be stored. You can get your free account at pinecone.io. Then you will need to go to API keys and create one, paste in the key here. Then you will need to create an index. Regarding Pinecone settings, on the Cloozo website, there is a video tutorial about those. Let it be like so. Let's copy a few more settings. This URL, it will go here. Here is the name of our index. It will go here. And here it is our environment, GCP starter. Let's save it. Here we can see base look and feel values. Let's proceed. Let's add base prompt. Here it is, our system prompt. I want you to act as a support assistant that I'm having a conversation with. You will provide me answers from the given info. If the answer is not included, say I am not sure and stop after that. So it means we are instructing the AI chatbot to provide answers only based on the data that we are loading into it. Let's proceed. And let's scrape website. It shows as process was finished, though I'm not sure what links it got from there. It would be nice to have those listed, but anyway, let's scrape and train. Moving to starter questions. Let's set this one. What is name ketchup? Now let's generate the code. And this code we need to copy and put to our website, specifically in the website header section. Let me do that. Alright, after adding the code provided by Cloozo to your website, you will see this little widget at the bottom, so you can interact with the bot. Let's go with suggested question. And that's great. The answer is accurate. Name Ketchup is a website to check your domain and username across multiple social networks. Let's test this bot and ask not relevant question, like how to make perfect espresso coffee. And that's exactly the answer which I was expecting, because there is no information about coffee on Name Ketchup website, and that's the correct answer. Let's ask more specific question. Do you get free SSL with web.com? Now it didn't provide the answer, and I believe I know why. I was expecting it to scrape all the URLs that it will find on nameketchup.com, but it seems it scraped only the initial one. Let's manually add one more link and retrain. Let's ask the question again. And now we are getting the correct answer. No SSL with base plan. And that correlates with the data in this blog post. No SSL with base plan. Alright, moving to the conclusion. What I like about this tool, it was pretty straightforward to set up. The integration with website worked well and it provided correct answers based on the data which was loaded into it. Also, some things could be potentially improved. For example, there is additional step in the setup to add Pinecone settings. Though it's not hard to add, it is additional step in the process. Also, it would be nice to have ability to provide the base URL, so the tool will find itself all the links, all the blog posts included in that first URL. Also, you can embed this chatbot into your website. However, it would be also nice to have more integrations, like with Slack or other messaging platforms. Please check the link to this tool in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.